Good morning. Good morning, traders. September 8th, 2025, 6:25 a.m. So currently the market is up 98, 99 points, 23,783. I traded the after hours yesterday and I made $686. Um, Currently, I'm not holding a position. We're at zero. Um, I think it would say somewhere around here. I'm not sure what the market's planning on doing today. Definitely has a strong open, but anything can happen. It can go up the gains, it can go higher, it can move sideways. We're going to see what transpires. We're going to make an attempt to make some money. So let's see how we do. Currently, $12,359 is my starting balance. It will be my starting balance at 6:30 in the morning. That's when I started counting it. So we'll be checking in and then we'll see. So right now, my trade log, you can see, is empty. Let's see how it does for today. Before the market starts, I do want to mention this is Friday's activity. Friday, the market opened, I believe, it was a positive 200 points. And then the jobs number came out. The market digested the numbers, decided that we might be going towards stagflation, I believe. And it took a nosedive. It just dropped. It gave up all its gains. And then it sort of bounced back, but it moved, a little bit higher, not much. Now it seems like it's trying to regain that footing again to go higher. But again, it's the market sometimes at the pre-market will make what looks like a strong open, but it'll collapse on the open or it'll push higher. So right now there's definitely a lot of tension on the open. Tell by this huge number right here. Um, let's see what happens. We'll find out. Okay, market update. So it's been a difficult market. The market moved higher. Definitely had a lot of strength in it. I took some short positions, didn't work out. I'm still positive. 606. My trade log is now looking like this. $10, $84, 93, 93, minus $1.20 minus. So anyways, but it's definitely a difficult day. I'm trying to go long again, and if it pulls back to 23,838, because the market seems to be kind of pushed up and down in these areas, I'm trying to get a good price, and it's close to it, but it hasn't allowed me to enter. We'll see. I think it's gonna. Let's see. Hold on. Okay, there we go. I got it. Let's see if we can make a little bit of money from that one. Maybe 10 points. We'll find out. Okay, market update. So this market is proving to be a lot more difficult today than I anticipated. We are at 650. Oh, I have to take this call. Okay, so here we go again. So I am going to sell this position at this price. There we go. So now we're at 766. I don't know if that's the same number that I had earlier when I started the trading day. It might be. Let me double check. This time I did take a picture of it. At the start of the trading day, oh, 686. Okay. All right, so we're only up just a few dollars and not much. But again, this market has proven to be a difficult market to work with. Here's my trade log so far. It's been quite hard. But I did make 153 in this last trade, 45, and then 146. I lost 186, made 144, made 67, made 16, lost 200, 46, made 140. So this is what it's been looking like. So it's been kind of like not very easy to trade.
But my next move, I'm going to see if this can get up to like 23,870, and then I'm gonna consider going short. I like this market as a short position, honestly. It's really to me, it doesn't seem like it has enough strength to keep pushing higher than this number. This is almost, to me, in my opinion, it's maxed out for the day. So there's a potential for the downside. The downside risk is high, and that's what I'm looking for. The downside risk to be in my favor. But for now, I'm gonna take another break, make some phone calls, and then I'll see if this thing can hit 23,870 so I can consider going short. Okay, so I liquidated my position that I was in. I did go short. We are now $1,068. Here's the position that I liquidated. I went short at 70 and I got out at 39, made $300. So I am now 1,068, 12,740. I'm definitely making more money than the open now, because I think I said I opened at 686 or something. So, but I'm trying to consider what to do next. Possibly, it's only 8:47 a.m. So the market's been open for like 2 hours and 15 minutes. So I may consider one more trade or calling it a day. Oh, this is interesting. This is what my equity curve looked like this morning. It took a little bit of a nosedive and then it came up. So this must be where the extra money was at. So it did drop to like where I was like almost at zero, break even. Then it started moving in my favor. So actually this looks like a good trade to me right now because it dropped to 35. That would have been a good entry right there. I like that pullback. Let's see if I can do it again. I'm gonna pause. Okay, so I am short again. I was trying to get in long at 23,835 and it just flew up. I couldn't, you can see it go up right here. I couldn't catch it. So my next best bet now is to go short at 23,870. We'll see if we can extract at least like, $50 or maybe even $100. So we'll see. Let's see what happens. Okay, it looks like my trade is going to work out, I think. If we could go to 23,860. Right now we're at 23,864. Let's start moving fast to the downside. I might jump back up. Okay, well, like it kind of touched it just for a nanosecond. There it is. Okay, so I got that one. So 1,061. Actually, it could have gone even further down, and I think it does that when I sell. It's like there's like a rush. It flushes down a little further, but then it'll bounce back up just a little. So I'm okay with that. Maybe other people got out at the same numbers. I'm not sure how that part works. I just know that I made another $93. Here they are. So now I'm back to square one again, where I'm trying to figure out if I want to trade again or leave it alone. I'm at $12,834 now. The price seems, it's kind of like in the neutral area for me to consider trading. I would like it to go up a little higher or maybe a little lower before I consider taking a risk or a chance on it. So I'll just wait around a little bit, see how it plays out. Okay, so the market is closing in 5 minutes. Right now I still have $1,000, 1,034. That might change during the close. The market can go up quickly or down. Right now, I have no clue where it's going to go. But I'm holding a long position. I'm holding 5 contracts. I got them at 23,797. The market changes 109. It's been a pretty rough day for me. I'll admit to that. This has been my trade log. I've traded so close to the open. There was 2 positions where I lost 361 and 256, but then I made 346 and $91 back. But I'm trying to see what this potentially could close at. My feeling is going to close at above 800, 23,800. If that's the case, then I'll make a few more dollars because I'm in at 23,797. But I could be wrong. It's only 4 minutes left. Let's see what happens towards the end. But even given that, the amount that I've made so far, I'm satisfied with. It's okay in relationship to all the trading that I've been doing. So let's see what the market close looks like. Okay, so it is now 1 o'clock. We're unable to hold a 5th contract. The market did push to 23,800. I'm at $1,100. It might go just a little higher. Once it gets me out, once it sells the, you know what? Maybe I'll just sell it myself. Let's see. Let's see. I was hoping for a better number, but I guess it'll just have to do. Okay, let's find out. There we go. Okay. So I'm out of the position, and today's earnings $1,127. The market's up 118. So account balance 12,800. Let's see what tomorrow is going to look like. It might actually push higher from here. It looks like this. It is going to go to 24,000 points. Right now, I rather go flat, which means like close out my positions and call it a day. Anyways, thank you so much. Have a good day.